Hi friends, today we're reading The Flea's Sneeze by Lynn Downey. On a dark, dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety-clickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, except for the flea. No one heard him cough, Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. There's the little flea on top of the mouse that he uses for a house. No one heard him sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him garbled his plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the barnyard frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snout, ha-choo! He sneezed. It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed meow. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woof woof, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, on the old barn in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse that he used for a house, the rat and the cat and the black-eyed bat, the cow and the owl and the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze, I think I've got to sneeze. Ha-choo! The end. See you tomorrow.